My name is Zoza. Zoza. And I'm an artist. I draw, I sculpt, I paint, I design. In 2016, we had a fantastic year. I run a little studio that does really big things. We work with a special set of chemicals that are not locally available in Nigeria. We had a very important phone call come through, and the client called to order about 1,000 pieces of our handcrafted work. 1,000 pieces. I almost lost my mind. As in, I was excited. I was crazy. I'm like, God, this is what I've been praying for. This is what I've been working towards. This is it. So we accepted the job gladly, and we started work at the studio. Along the line, one of my teammates came to me to say that there was a problem.
This cannot even do 50 pieces of the artwork. It can't do anything.
What are you talking about? And that's when they showed me that the chemical had really gone down. No chemical, contract, empty bucket. This chemical is not locally available. This money is already in my account. My name is on the line. There's something about this strange chemical, right? It gets to a point where you can't do anything with it. It becomes hard, it becomes rubbery, you can't do anything with it. And this chemical had become like that, and it was remaining very small. I had been trying, to call the company abroad that supplies it, and for some odd reason, the chemical wasn't coming. Hello? I called my mom. I was panicking. I told her, I said, Mom, see you, come and see. And she asked me what I had done about it. And did you just hear what I said, Mommy? I have called the company, I've been emailing, I've been running up and down. And then she said in a calm, knowing voice, you know how mothers talk. She just said, what have you done about it? That was when I knew. I knew what to do. We hung up the phone and I went on my knees, and I need a 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish miracle. I need it now. I need a multiplication miracle, Lord. I ask in the name of Jesus. And in the place of prayer, an instruction came to my mind. An instruction that didn't make any sense. And I heard the Lord say to me, take this bucket, wrap it in a nylon bag, and put it away. Put it away, Kwa. I don't have time to put it away. That was my initial reaction. But I obeyed. I wrapped it up, put it away. In the morning, everybody came, we opened up the bucket, and we found that the chemical had become liquid again. But that's not the amazing part. It was liquid, it wasn't full, but we started work. We did 100 pieces. Now remember, what was inside that bucket could not have done 50 pieces. If we tried, it couldn't have done 50 pieces. But we were calling abroad, working on the one hand, 200 pieces. Still calling 300 pieces. In fact, we forgot to call 400 pieces, 500 pieces. Every time you pick up this little bucket and turn it out, the chemical would flow. How the chemical was flowing, I don't know. I have no idea, but we were working 600 pieces, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. We finished the job. We packaged, we delivered, the clients were happy. I couldn't believe it. And say, okay, well, thank God for the miracle and all of that. Let us all go home and rest. But my assistant in the studio said, let's keep working. And would you believe it? We kept on working. We worked throughout the whole of December on international orders. And this little bucket kept delivering. It kept delivering. It kept delivering. Until the day in January, somewhere in the middle of the month of January, the chemicals finally arrived in Nigeria. I went and brought them back to the studio. The minute I wheeled those chemicals into the studio, I ran to check the little miracle bucket. It was dry. That could have only